Are we all set to go, guys?
Yep.
The plan, reasonably straightforward. Meet at Cromwell's Big Fruit, bring a fold-out chair to save the legs, and stay below the hedge line.
You realise how dodgy you look behind there? Bit of hush, bit of hush.
Sharon is 1 in a million.
She's just such a kind-hearted person who just gives her heart and soul to everybody. She's like the glue. She's like the glue or the hub in the wheel that holds the community together.
Once a week she sends out an email to all of us and says, every day of the week we've got this on. And we just go, right, well, we've got instant friends, we've got instant activities.
She knits this fabric of friendship.
She does, she really does.
The central thread of that central Otago fabric, embracing newcomers. Erin moving here from Tauranga 5 years ago.
I love my community and yeah, just knowing that you're supported and cared for has been amazing.
Marie, also from the Bay of Plenty, the newest of the newbies.
4 months and I can't imagine living anywhere else.
No need to be lonely in Cromwell.
Absolutely no need to be lonely in Cromwell.
Thanks to a woman named Sharon.
Yep.
Here she is, Sharon.
What's going on?
The great people connector of Cromwell. It's lovely to meet you because I've heard so much about the beautiful job you do bringing your local community together, particularly new arrivals to town.
Oh, thank you.
Have a look behind you.
Oh my God! Bags!
Organising group walks, group bike rides, working bees, mix and mingles.
We'll give everything a go.
Really just showing good old-fashioned friendship.
That's what it's about. Just connecting, making sure people feel welcome, being part of the community and making sure that they know where in the community they can go to get what floats their boats, because this is what floats mine.
Sharon, I'm Michael from 7 Sharp, and I think you might know about a segment we have called ASB Good as Gold.
Oh, yes.
Well, I'm tickled to tell you, you are this week's ASB Good as Gold recipient for being pure Cromwell gold.
Thank you.
And to celebrate, the ASB is happily sending your way $10,000.
You're kidding. No.
For you to spend on you and your family. And maybe there might just be a little bit left over for a bit of a Christmas knees up with your growing list of friends.
Oh, absolutely.
Do you get the feeling they quite like you?
I think they must do.
And I think you might quite like them in return.
Absolutely. They're a fantastic bunch of people.
She's a jolly good fellow, but she's a jolly good fellow, but she's a...
I get a real buzz out of seeing other people happy.
And that makes you sleep well at night?
Not always. Sometimes I'm too busy thinking about what I need to do next. My goal is that everybody feels respected and part of this community, and this is a very simple way that I can help others.
It's all about belonging.
Sense of belonging, that's what it's about.
Cromwell, the most welcoming town in the country.
I hope so.
You know so.
Yeah, I do.
If you know a deserving New Zealander, nominate them at asbgoodasgold.co.nz.